The film that we are watching, or that we just watched today, is Service. It's my first film in competition in Cannes, and when it was shown in Cannes, it was quite controversial because people were asking me about the situation of a family living in inside the theater. So I told them it was based on a real life story. There were really people, family living inside the cinema, inside the theater, where they shown B movies and soft porn movies. Unfortunately, the cinema, this theater, is no longer there. It doesn't exist anymore. They now turn it into a food chain, a famous food chain. So it's very sad because this is one of the most iconic place in that one of the most iconic architecture in that city. Actually, that city, Pampanga, that's where I came from. So, but unfortunately, it doesn't exist anymore, and we're happy that we were able to film there. At least we were able to document the place and for the future generation to see, and also to know the story about these people living in that inside the cinema.